Hello everyone, plantain chips. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make plantain chips, which is very simple, very delicious. We are making a deep fry plantain chips. I have a video on a baked plantain chips, but today I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious easy homemade snacks, which is easy homemade plantain chips with green plantain. So let's dive into this our plantain chips. Welcome to Olayemi Cooking Channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. For all the new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. I aim to give you simple and delicious recipe. Let's dive into our plantain chips. I'm going to be using green plantain, one green plantain. I already washed it before cutting it, so let's start peeling our green plantain. We are using this green plantain to prepare our plantain chips. So I'm going to peel the back of the unripe plantain, and this plantain chips is mostly known in Nigeria as pekere. We call it pekere in Nigeria, so it's very delicious. I really enjoy eating my plantain chips, my homemade plantain chips, so I decided not to buy plantain chips any longer. So I decided to show you guys how to make homemade plantain chips, how to make your own plantain chips for selling or anything you want to do. So let me take care of this and put it in the trash. So let's start preparing our plantain chips step by step. So I'm going to go ahead and let me put the bowl here that I'm going to be needing. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting our plantain into smaller size before we deep fry it. If you want to bake your plantain chips, it's also delicious and it's also healthy. So let's cut this into smaller size. You can use a bus grater as well to cut your plantain to get the perfect plantain chips, or you can as well use plantain chips cutter or pizza cutter to cut it. Anything you feel comfortable in cutting it is perfectly okay. I'll be using knife to cut mine because I feel comfortable in using knife to cut my green plantain. If you are new here, you have not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get updated of my new recipe. It costs you nothing to subscribe to my channel, but it encourages me to do more of this recipe. And please do not forget to hit the like button as well, and as well leave all your nice comments in the comment section, and remember to share this plantain chips recipe with your lover. So let's cut this. We are going to cut this unripe plantain, which is green plantain, to very small size, a very little flat size, to enable it to fry very fast. And if you are baking it, you have to increase the size a little bit instead of this too flat. So let's transfer it in a bowl. We already finished cutting it, and the next step is we are going to seasoning it. I'm going to add pinch of salt, just a little pinch of salt, and just to give it a nice taste. If you decide to use sugar as your seasoning, is perfectly okay, but I'm using pinch of salt to give it that nice and crunchy taste of salt. So we already have oil in our pan. I already start heating my oil, so I'm going to start putting my cut plantain into the oil. Reduce the flame of your oil to medium, not too hot, just put it in medium. That is a perfect way for me to fry my plantain chips. So I like putting my cooker in medium heat when I'm preparing my plantain chips. So if I'm using a oven for my plantain chips, I have video on that. I'm going to put it up here. You can as well check the description for link on how to bake plantain chips in oven. I have a recipe on that as well. So we are going to fry this until it's dry. Bring out that golden color. That is when you have that crunchy dry plantain chips that you are looking for. So we are going to deep fry this for 5 to 10 minutes, and both sides we just keep on stirring, and I don't want it to stick together, so that's the reason I'm adding it one after the other. So it will be deep fried before I add the other one. So let's wait for this to get cooked. Please, if you've not liked, remember to give this video a like And remember to subscribe. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated of my next recipe. Let's give it a quick stir and wait for the other side. As you can see, it's golden brown, so I'm going to remove it from the oil. Then I'll go ahead and fry the other set of my plantain chips. So this is the last batch. I'm going to add the last batch. Then we just go ahead and put it in kitchen paper towel to extract the oil. So this is the outcome after I put it in paper to extract the oil. So this is our final plantain chips. Plantain chips is very healthy. Even the fried or the baked plantain chips is very healthy and is very tasty as well, very delicious. And this is a homemade plantain chips. Please do not forget to try it and leave all your questions and your comments in the comment section. I love seeing your comments and I enjoy seeing your love share to our channel. This is the outcome after making our plantain chips, and this is a perfect homemade plantain chips. Why even buying it? You just need a green plantain to make your homemade plantain chips. Do not forget to follow us on Facebook, on our Facebook page, and as well. Do not forget to leave all your nice comments. If you have any question regarding any of my recipe and you want to know more about it, please leave all in the comment section. I'm always there to answer any of your questions to the best of my knowledge. Thanks so much for watching this plantain chips. I guess I will see you in my next recipe. Please be safe.